Ladies and gentlemen, hi! My name is Goodwood Gibis at nagbabalik na naman tayo sa panibagong episode ng Lone Wolf. If you guys remember, nagtapos ang ating last episode dito sa Marshlands. And this is the last level na meron tong game na to. And this is might be the last episode of the series. Kung kaya nating gawin to ng tama. This is so hard. Remember, max out na rin yung ano natin dito Oh my god, this is so hard. Wait lang. We're gonna wait. There you go. Nice. Ito na. Wait lang. Wait lang. Tapos, ito kasi walang nakakita sa'yo. Oh my god, I don't want to mess this up. There you go. Nice, guys. Nice. Damn it! Wait lang. Kaya natin yan. Oh my god. Wait, this is so hard. Wait lang. God damn it! Why? Why do you like this? Why do you like this? Like this? Paano ko ba nagawa yun kanina? There you go. Nice. Line it up. There you go. Nice. Ala, may isa pang gumagalaw. Why? Hala, ano una-unahin ko rito? Ito ba muna? Hala. Why do you like this? Oh my god, this is so hard. Why? Why do you like this? Why? Wait lang. Bad timing naman yung hinga mo. Wait lang. This might be it. Guys. Yes. Don't choke this, Christian. God damn it. I hate my fingers. I want to cut my fingers. How do I cut my fingers? Can I cut my fingers? Yo, nice. So we know now how to do this. Kaya natin yan. We can do this. Nice. No pressure. Come on, Christian. No pressure. Yeah, no pressure. Maybe kailangan natin ng pressure. Maybe we need pressure. Maybe. Oh crap. I'm so scared. Why I am scared, I don't know. I don't know what to do. Why I am scared. God damn it, no! Why did I shoot? No, I don't know. Why you ask me? I don't know. Why? Come on now. Oh my god. Come on now. You can do it. I can believe on you. I believe on you. I believe on myself. Lahat ng pagsubok ay hindi pinagsusukuan. Nice. What? I shoot him in the head! What do you mean? Kaya natin yan, kaya natin yan, kaya natin yan. Come on now, come on. Focus, focus, focus. Okay na eh. You don't want to give up. Giving up is for the people who don't trust themselves. But I trust myself and I love myself kahit hindi halata. God damn it! I love myself. I love myself and I hate myself at the same time. Sirating, I don't know. I don't know what to do. Okay. God damn it! Okay. Woo! This is so hard. You can do it. Okay. God damn it! I want to give up, but I can't give up. My people need me. Kapag natapos ko to, siguraduhin yung magsusubscribe kayo ah. Eh. There you go, nice. I'm scared for a second. Why? I don't know. There you go. So ito muna. Nito ako napapali eh. Okay. Nice. Nice! Last one. Last one, Christian. Come on. Don't pressure yourself. Kaya mo yan. Nakatayo lang yung kalaban. There you go! Yes! Yes! Mission accomplished! Yes! Look at that. Yes! Continue. Quit F around, Emil. Emil, get back here, man. Hey, who is that? You, what the F are you doing? I've been waiting for I've been waiting for this for a long time. Ah, Wolfie, come on. You were my boy. F you, I want you dead from day one. I couldn't ever get you alone. Your time's up, Mando. Oh, standoff. Emil, back off. This is between Mando and me. It doesn't work like that. Mando is on my team. Drop the F gun, man. Emil, shoot the F. Ay, shoot this F. This isn't a movie. Just shoot him. Now, it's not a movie, but you are in a game. Christ, why are you doing this? I'm here for Mando. Emil, back when we were in the army together, you told me you worked with Mando. You told me about Mando's history. It turns out that I am part of that history. You took everything from me, Mando. Wait, what do you mean? I want you to know who is going to end your life. I couldn't kill you until you recognize me. Siya si ano? Siya nga. Yung isa. Yung, siya yung lalaking ano, yung tingi. Yung, tawag dun, yung flashback. Flashback. Listen to me, Mando. We begged you to stop. We knew Slickwill had to die for what he had done, but you lose complete control. Oh my god, Mando, you made Slickwill Watcher kill his family. You made him beg before you shot his wife. I can still hear her screams, stop dead as you pull the trigger. I can still see the last breath that little boy took. You never had to shot Slickwill. He died the second you killed his son. Yung ano, yung pinatay ni Mando yung ano, yung pamilya niya. I don't know. You should have made sure you killed me that night. Like you made sure you killed my family. Holy S! It's you! Whoosh! To be continued. Oh my god. Damn. This game is sick, man. I love this game. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy. And if you do, make sure to hit that like button, the subscribe button, turn on notification bell for more. And see you guys to the next video. Bye-bye!